The engineers of tomorrow need more than theory. Modern manufacturing demands precision measurement skills. Skills that go far beyond traditional inspection tools. The Aberlink Education Package brings industry-standard coordinate measuring technology into the learning environment. With the intuitive Aberlink 3D software, detailed standard operating procedures, and easy-to-follow-along video guides, students can begin measuring parts within minutes, building confidence from their very first inspection. From basic measurement principles to advanced inspection routines, the Education Package supports the full metrology learning journey. Using the same technology trusted by manufacturers worldwide, students gain the skills needed for modern engineering careers. Aberlink Educate, teaching precision, inspiring the next generation of engineers.